Hey everybody, Matt here from Surplus Trader Secrets, and today I'm going to show you where my excess inventory deals come from. And when I've done showing you this training, if this resonates with you and you like help implementing this into your business, or you'd like to start a business like this, then I'm offering some 30-minute strategy calls where you have a chance to book a call and speak to me to see if I can help you. So let's jump in. So when we get excess inventory deals, we are getting them from various places that are coming through round the clock every day, week, month of the year. And we use 6 main methods to get excess inventory offers. And out of those offers that come through, we will process, and some of them we will turn into profitable deals, 3, 4 and 5 figure profit deals. Let's take a look and show you exactly how this system works. So these are the deals, and the first method that we use to get deals is email. So email everyone uses, but we have a system set up that we use to get an abundance of excess inventory offers coming through on a regular basis. And the way we do that is by bulk emailing our connections that we have. And the reason we do that is because we like to keep in regular contact with our connections, which means that because we are keeping in regular contact every month throughout the year, we are getting an abundance of excess inventory offers coming through on the back of the emails that we send out to our connections. As they come through, we are processing those excess inventory offers, and then we are moving forward with the deals that look like they are going to work, that we can turn into profitable deals. And so we are doing that constantly through the year. We are emailing our connections on a regular basis, and as we are emailing lots of different companies across lots of different product categories and industries over the year, we start receiving excess inventory offers coming through from old contacts, new contacts, and as we are keeping in contact with them, we are getting new offers through all the time. And a percentage of those offers we turn into deals. Okay, so the second method we use is Google. Okay, so Google, we all know, is a big search engine platform. So what we do is we actually search for companies across lots of different products, product categories, subcategories in lots of different industries, and we will build lists of companies across all of these categories and industries, and we will then get in contact with these companies to see if we can purchase from them, to see if we can do any business with them. Once we've built these lists of companies, we will then move them across to our email system and start emailing them on a regular basis, keeping in contact with them, warming them up, and eventually getting offered excess inventory. When we use Google, we are using a lot of specific keywords to find places where these companies hang out, where these companies are. These could be directories, these could be the company's own website, these could be trade shows, these could be lots of different areas on the internet where we can locate companies across any specific products that we choose. What we are actively doing is we are building a network of connections across any product that we choose. And then we can keep in contact with those companies on a regular basis, month after month, every few months, through email, and then we start getting a stream of excess inventory offers coming through from those companies that we found through Google searches. So the third method is that we use is the LinkedIn platform. Very, very underrated platform indeed. And what we started to do a few years back was we weren't just content with building connections on the LinkedIn platform. We wanted to find a way of keeping in contact with these connections that we make. The big mistake that a lot of people make with the LinkedIn platform is that they connect with people and they accept connection requests from people, but they don't keep in contact with anyone on a regular basis, which is wrong, because when you are building hundreds, even thousands of connections on the LinkedIn platform, what's the point of not keeping in contact with people on a regular basis to see if there are any opportunities? To see if there's any mutual opportunities to do some business. So what we do is we will email our connections. We will move our connections into our email contacts, and we won't just keep in contact with them through the LinkedIn platform. We keep in contact with them through email as well. So when we email them and we say, hi, we're a connection of yours on the LinkedIn platform, it's a little bit warmer. The great thing about it is that on the LinkedIn platform, it's virtually impossible to keep in contact with all of your contacts on there. If you've got hundreds or thousands of contacts, the only way that you can keep in contact with your connections is by sending them a message in the LinkedIn Messenger, which you can only do one at a time. So what we will do is we will bulk email lots of our LinkedIn connections at once. It's a lot quicker making contact with our LinkedIn connections through email as opposed to on the actual LinkedIn platform. We will also get excess inventory offers coming through on a regular basis through LinkedIn Messenger, which is another great place to receive excess inventory offers, because I am very proactive on LinkedIn. A lot of people see me, a lot of people see my profile, they see that I'm very well connected in the excess inventory business, and when they have any excess inventory, or if they've got a connection with some excess inventory, they will message me, they will put that offer to me through LinkedIn Messenger or on the back of an email that I have sent them. The fourth method where I get my deals from is by using what we call finders. So if you don't know what finders are, this is something that I promote a lot of. I actually have a coaching program teaching people how to become a finder. And basically, a finder goes and finds stuff. That's what a finder does. So the word finder means go and find stuff. And that's what finders do. But that's all they do. That's all they focus on. They're not involved in any buying or selling or negotiating or holding any stock or transporting any stock. All they ever focus on is actually going and finding that inventory, where they do that using lots of online methods that I teach in my coaching program. And those methods will enable them to start receiving excess inventory offers. When they receive those inventory offers, they will actually push those deals to me, and then I will filter those offers out to my network of buyer connections, which will get the wheels in motion to hopefully start making a deal happen and get some profit in the bank. When a deal is done that's originally come from a finder, I will then pay a finder what we call finder's fees, which is basically a commission fee for finding that inventory. And they find inventory from lots of different industries, lots of different companies across loads of different industries. Industries that are very untapped, that people don't look. And the great thing about finders is they spend a lot of time searching for excess inventory. They will search high and low, hit brick walls, hit dead ends until they find a deal. And when they are doing that on a daily basis and building connections, they will start to get an abundance of excess inventory offers, which is fantastic because finders you have to look at as basically an extension of your purchasing department. And you've got all these finders all over the world that can find deals for you. Okay, so number 5. Okay, so WhatsApp. WhatsApp is an incredible real-time communication platform. And what we've started to find over the last year is that a lot of our deals actually come from the WhatsApp platform. Basically, where everyone hangs out. Everyone is hanging out on WhatsApp. The wonderful thing about WhatsApp, and I have mentioned this before, is the speed and execution of the communication. Because everyone looks at WhatsApp all the time. You probably get quicker replies on WhatsApp than you do on email or any other messenger. And it's all in real time. You can see when someone's literally typing a message, and you can type a message. Someone's going to look at that literally within seconds or minutes, and you're going to get a reply back. You can upload photos, files, and you can literally do deals just on the back of WhatsApp. What we like about it is that a lot of the companies that we are emailing constantly, because I've got my contact details on my email, but a lot of people reply back on WhatsApp. They will say, I've had an email from you and I've just added you on WhatsApp and I've got this excess inventory to offer you. Are you interested? And then we will carry on the conversation on WhatsApp until a deal is done. We like and encourage communication through the WhatsApp platform, especially in our industry where, you know, things are being bought and sold very quickly. Deals are being done. Offers are coming through quick. We're pushing offers through to our network of buyer contacts very quickly. It's just a fantastic, time-effective way of doing business in the excess inventory industry. So we love WhatsApp, and you know, we are getting regular deals on the back of the WhatsApp platform. And the final method we use for getting deals is Google Ads. So this is the only method that we actually spend money to get deals. So we pay for Google Ads, and we will come up on searches from people who are searching anything related to the surplus or excess inventory business. And so we will get inquiries coming through on our website. Those will be inquiries to either buy from us or sell to us. So, you know, we're getting, as well as getting offered excess inventory, we're also getting inquiries as well from people that want to buy from us as well. So what we are doing is, in effect, we are getting a return on our investment from the money we spend on Google Ads, from buying deals off people and even selling deals to people as well. So we're obtaining buyer connections, we're obtaining seller connections as well, and we easily do 5 to 10 times our return on investment each month just from Google Ads. So that is a great method as well for getting deals. So these are the 6 main methods that we use. Now, there are many more methods, but these are the main methods. If you haven't seen my book on 101 ways to find excess inventory, that actually shows you 101 ways to find excess inventory, and so you can implement any of those methods to actually go and find excess inventory. These are the main methods where most of our excess inventory deals come from, and that we continue to use because they are proven, and we are just getting an abundance of excess inventory offers coming through each day, every week, every month, throughout the year, 24 hours a day, that we are just processing on a continuous basis, which is fantastic, which is how we are able to do deals regularly.
As usual, guys, if you enjoyed the training and if this resonated with you and you'd like help implementing this into your own business, or you want to start a business like this, flipping excess inventory for 4 and 5 figure profits, then click on the button below and book a free 30-minute strategy call with me, where we can see if you are good to get into my coaching program. I will see you soon.